Hi everyone, Vinching here and welcome back to my channel, and today's video we will unbox Lebron Witness 3, and mega love shout out to the buyer of this, Agyamanak. Let's go! Please do check my Facebook page, Vinching Shop. If you have any inquiries, message me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on my next video. Vinching here, signing off.